So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have a true privilege to introduce to you this beautiful 1996 Ford Bronco XLT. And this beautiful Bronco comes to us a survivor of this generation, very sought after generation Bronco. And it is original from bumper to bumper, just except for maybe the seat covers. But it's finished in the factory paint, that Pacific green metallic over light willow metallic, and that awesome medium mocha interior, riding on those factory alloy wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, powered by that awesome and sought-after 351, which in 1996 was the last year the 351 was offered in the Bronco. You'll see in the interior of this truck is in excellent condition as well. Just a very well preserved and low miles. The truck has on the clock just over 37,000 actual miles. So it's not just a beautiful example, it's a great running, driving example. So we'll grab the other cameras, we'll go for a test drive. These seats are so comfortable. They are. And they look factory.
They do. Yeah, they look correct in the truck.
Yeah. So now we're going to take that beautiful 1996 Ford Bronco for a test drive.
XLT.
XLT.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and the truck is loaded with a bunch of options.
Absolutely.
And probably my favorite is the fuel injected 351 under the hood. So
yeah, absolutely.
And that V8 fires up just like you would expect a low mile 5.8.
Well, the EFI 5.8 was just such a great engine. I mean, it had plenty of power to move these trucks down the road. And, yeah,
they did. And
nice and dependable.
This particular example on the clock is showing 37,559, which will turn 60 here in just a second. But everything on this truck functions and operates just like it should. Motor, transmission, all your accessories. And these are just such a great vehicle.
They are. I mean, this is a great looking truck too. I mean, that Pacific green metallic with the light willow kind of accent stripe in the middle of the body. I mean, that is such a just awesome color, and it just is paired nicely with the medium mocha interior. And this truck, I mean, that paint and trim combo, I mean, is one of 44. Now that was with the medium mocha cloth, and it has since been upgraded to leather. But I'm not going to fault the truck for that because the leather looks and feels awesome. I mean, it's such a comfortable truck.
And, you know, 55 miles per hour down the road, it's straight, you know, but this truck it benefits from a lot of recent service.
Absolutely.
Front end work, new tires.
Yeah, so the bottom side's been dry ice blasted or recoated. I mean, the bottom side of this truck is extremely clean.
Yeah.
They did an excellent job there. I mean, just having the truck ceramic coated. I mean, this truck has just been lovingly maintained. You can just tell. I mean, every aspect of this truck. I mean, it almost looks and drives like just about a brand new '96 Bronco.
Yeah, shortly after Tyler's mom and I got married, we traded in a '84 Camaro Z28 for an '85 Bronco XLT, blue and white with a 351. I loved that truck. Drove the wheels off that truck.
So this is just, I mean, nostalgic. I mean, it's unmodified. It's other than the seats being recovered, but yeah, I mean, this is just about as factory. It's just awesome. I mean, it runs and drives, does everything just like it should.
And it's one of those vehicles that actually brings back a bunch of memories for me. So it's nostalgic for me. And this truck, like Tyler said, is in excellent condition throughout. And all your accessories work: cruise control, the power mirrors, all three of your power windows. You got AC, AM, FM, cassette, power door locks.
It's just getting harder and harder to find these trucks unmodified and just unmolested.
Yeah.
It's just well preserved original examples. I mean, this generation, I mean, these are trucks. I mean, you're meant to drive and enjoy these trucks. So finding one with low miles that's been just this well maintained it just doesn't happen every day.
Yeah, they were utilitarian vehicles.
Absolutely. Yeah.
SUVs. So, and like the exterior of this truck is just incredible to me that it even has 37,000 miles. The absence of like stone chips and flaws on the exterior.
Yeah.
You know, the interior, I could see they had to have really taken care of the interior. So we could let that 5.8 liter breathe a little bit. I'm not going to push it too hard, but let it open up and spread its wings a little bit, get up to 60 miles per hour. Here we are, 60. Just nice and smooth, no funny noises.
It was extremely
shifting.
Yeah. And this is just such, I mean, we keep saying it, but this is such a nice example of these Broncos. I mean, it's effortless, everything is.
Yeah.
Driving, it handles right, the suspension's not loose, the engine's not tired. I mean, you could show this truck.
Oh, it's collector grade quality.
Absolutely.
I mean, you could put this in your collection, be proud of it. You could take it to local cruises or car shows. Yeah.
And it's nicely documented. We have a Marti Report for the truck and documenting, like I said earlier, the 1 of 44, this paint and trim code, and just documented the original colors and all the options. This is how this truck came, with the exception of the upgraded leather.
If you ever wondered what a brand new 5th generation Bronco is supposed to drive like, I mean,
this is it.
Yeah.
If you missed out on one of these when they were new, or you've just always liked the 5th generation, this truck is just in a league of its own. It's truly an exceptional piece.
You're not going to want to miss out on this truck.
No, not at all. So definitely stay tuned for that walk around inspection.
Yep. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll do our walk-around inspection of this gorgeous 1996 Ford Bronco XLT. And this truck, it's going to be a highlight reel. Like we said earlier, this truck is just a beautifully well-preserved 5th generation Bronco. We'll start right here, the windshield and the windshield trim. I mean, just look how nice and black and the finish on that trim. Windshield's free of any chips or cracks. Across the driver's side of the cowl and the hood, nice and straight. And the paint throughout is in excellent condition. That factory paint. Your stripes in good condition. Your Bronco XLT emblems in excellent condition. All your trim throughout the truck, nice and straight. Your factory wheels are in excellent condition.
Peek inside at the frame and suspension components just to show just how clean this truck is.
And those factory aluminum wheels are wrapped in 1-year-old BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs coming around the front of the truck. Your grille, your headlights, the front bumper all shine and are clear and nice and straight. Even your black plastic trim is in very good condition. No warping. Coming across the passenger side of the hood's in excellent condition, nice and straight. No dents, no dings. Same with the front right fender. Again, all 4 of your wheel moldings in excellent condition. All 4 of your wheels in excellent condition. Passenger side of the windshields in excellent condition, free from any chips or cracks. The A-pillar, no chips or cracks on it. You have the vent shields on the top of the door. And about the only flaws that this truck has on is there's a couple real light scratches on both doors from just grabbing it probably with a ring on their hand. And coming in the interior, an excellent, well-preserved interior.
All the metal on your doors are just extremely clean. What you'd expect from a truck with this kind of mileage. Door jambs are nice and clean. You can tell care was taken getting in and out of the truck. There's no heavy scratches or gouging in the door jambs. The door panels in excellent condition. I mean, your window controls, your power door lock controls, all that's nice and crisp and legible. Coming across the dash is nice and straight. No warping, no cracks in the plastic. Got your factory Ford stereo. Heater AC controls are nice and crisp and legible. Got your custom Bronco floor mats, that just definitely complement this interior. Like we said earlier, the interior was upgraded to leather just here recently, and I mean the padding, the leather's all in excellent condition throughout. Looks right in this truck. That factory Medium Mocha. Headliner's in excellent condition. And same with your back seat. And it was recovered as well. And there's just no wear anywhere.
Coming back outside, on the passenger side rear quarter, nice and straight. I'm not seeing any dents or dings. Your side glass is in excellent condition. The paint on the top is in excellent condition.
Come down and a shot of the frame.
Of course, your third wheel's in excellent condition, just like the first two. Coming around the back of the truck, your rear bumper and the plastic cover, excellent condition. I'll move that spare tire out of the way so we can see the tailgate. But, you know, your matching aluminum rim on your spare is in excellent condition.
And that spare tire is brand new as well.
Yes, it looks like they were all replaced at the same time. But you see the aluminum panel on the rear is in excellent condition. Might have just a couple little scratches from putting the key in and out. Your rear glass is in very good condition. Does have some light scratches from opening and closing, but the electric motor works just like it should. We'll open up that tailgate so you can see just how clean the bottom of the tailgate is. Your cargo area is in very good condition.
This tell it's been sparingly used.
That tailgate operates just like it should. Opens and closes very easily. Show you that window working the other way. Oh, I didn't close it all the way. So the safety mechanism works as well, so you won't break your glass. So coming around the driver's side rear quarter, just like the passenger side, it's nice and straight, free of any damage. We do have one real minor little paint touch up there on that body scene, but your top, the fiberglass is all in excellent condition, the glass, the rubber seal. Rear tires in very good condition. Under the driver's door, not sure what that is.
Dab with something on top of it.
Yeah.
Trim.
So the driver's door is nice and straight, free from dents and any condition items. Both your mirrors are in excellent condition too. The chrome on the back. And again, you got a few little real light scratches that probably would buff out. Coming into the driver's side portion of the interior, very comparable to the passenger side, and is in very well maintained condition.
Again, the metal on your door is all in excellent condition. Door panels in excellent condition. Again, I mean the carpet showing no age or wear. All your power controls. The lettering is nice and crisp and legible. And there's no warping or cracking in the panel. The driver's side of the dash is nice and straight and clean. Same with your gauges, power rear window control, Your steering wheel shows almost no age or wear. Driver's side carpet and pedals are all in excellent condition. Getting driver's side seat. This is what you'd expect from a recently recovered seat. Fold it forward so you can show a little bit better than I did on the other side, but that rear seat and carpets all in excellent condition, nice and clean, free of any heavy wear.
Coming back outside, we'll go under the hood, the engine compartment housing that very sought after fuel injected 351 5.8 liter V8. You see you got all your original jack, the arm, the jack, tire iron, it's all complete. So we'll fire up this 5.8 liter, show you some lights work.
Fuel injected 5.8 liter fires right out just like it should. No weird ticks, no knocking of any kind. Nice and smooth. So, some lights working. There's your headlights, your brights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. All your front lights work just like they should. And there's your running lights on. Your brake lights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and your reverse lights. All of your exterior lights work just like they should.
So if you're in the market for a collector grade, sport utility, or Bronco, especially a 5th generation Bronco, you definitely don't want to miss out on this opportunity. These trucks don't come around in this condition, this kind of miles every day. So check it out, Rock Solid Motorsports.